Hi everyone. If you need to upgrade your plan or change your subscription in Saner.AI, it's all handled in the subscription page. To get there, first you can click on your profile icon in the top left corner and then select subscription plan. Once you are in this page, you will immediately see your current subscriptions if you are already on a paid plan. If you want to upgrade, downgrade, or change your plan, just click the three dot button here and click manage plan. If you want to cancel your subscription, you can just click cancel subscription here. Then right below that, you will see the all plans section. This is where you can browse all available plan and compare what's included in each one. If you want more details around pricing, limits, or what each plan is best for, there's a FAQ button right here that answers most of the common questions. In general, everything is centralized and easy to control from the subscription page, and I hope this helps. If you have any question, just reach out to us anytime.